So hello and good morning everybody, myself CMA Sanket Pandit. So today I am making this video to let you know about the MOU between the Institute of Cost Accountants of India and the ACCA UK. So what are the exemptions available for a qualified person? What are the exemptions available for a qualified person with 5 years of experience? And also what are the exemptions available to ACCA qualified? I am going to discuss in this short video of 5 to 10 minutes. So first thing is, if you are a ACMA, that is if you are a associate member of the institute, or you are a fellow member of the institute, plus you have 5 years of experience, then you are exempted from 9 papers. So you have to give only 4 papers for qualifying the examination: strategic business leader and strategic business reporting. These two are compulsory, and you can choose any two from the following 4 options. So if you are a CMA with 5 years of experience, ACMA or FCMA, this is only for members, right? It is a written ACMA, so you have to be the member of the institute. Plus, if you have 5 years of experience, then you are exempted from 9 papers. You have to give only 4 papers. These two are compulsory, and you can choose any 2 paper from the remaining 4. Now second is, if you are a CMA past finalist and ACMA. Okay, so you are an associate member of the institute with less than 5 years of experience. Means you have 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience, or even 4 years of experience. Then you are exempted from 7 papers. So you have to give 6 papers. Here you were only giving 4 papers. Here you have to give 6 papers. These 4 are compulsory, and you can choose any two from the following 4. So the following 4 are same only. Above also they were advanced financial management, advanced audit assurance, advanced taxation, and advanced performance management. Here also it is same: advanced financial management, advanced audit and assurance, advanced taxation, and advanced performance and management. It's just like if you have 5 years or more than that experience, then you are exempted from 9 paper. If you have less than 5 years and you are a ACMA, then you are exempted from 7 papers. So 2 papers additional exemption is given if you have more experience. Now what are the exemptions available for ACCA members who want to pursue our CMA course? So they are exempted from total 14 papers. So exempted from 14 papers of CMA qualification. So foundation level, we have 3 levels: foundation, intermediate, and final. So the foundation level is completely exempted for ACCA members. As far as intermediate level is concerned, which is our second level of the institute, so there paper 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 papers are exempt. In intermediate we have 8 papers. In final also we have 8 papers. So out of these 8, 6 papers are exempt. So in intermediate, if you are a ACCA member, then you just have to give paper 7 direct tax and paper 11 indirect tax. So out of these 8, 6 papers are exempt. These 2 papers you have to give. As far as final examination is concerned, again it is divided into 2 groups, and we have 8, 4 papers in one group, 4 papers in one group. So these 8 papers we have in final, and out of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 papers are exempt. That means you have to give 4 papers. And which are these 4 papers? Corporate law and compliance, direct taxation, indirect taxation, and cost and management audit. So in final, the ACCA member has to give 4 papers of the institute, and in intermediate they have to give 2 paper. So that is, they have to sit for 6 papers, and they will become a CMA. And also our students undergo training of computer communication, soft skill, and practical training also. So the ACCA member is completely exempt from these all trainings also. So he just has to give these 6 papers, and he will become a CMA. And our people have to sit for 4 papers if they have exam, means they have qualification, post qualification experience of 5 years, and if they don't have, then they have to sit for 6 papers. And here ACCA members have to sit for 6 papers, they have experience or not. So this is it. If you find this video useful, do hit it a like and share it with each and everybody. This is the latest MOU, and it will surely benefit everybody, right from the members of ACCA to CMA qualified members too. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the very best.